Number 1. Embrace the train rides. Trust me, the journey is just as spectacular as the destination. Don't rush through your trip. Slow down, take the train, and let Switzerland's beauty reveal itself to you. Second, visit smaller, lesser-known villages like Appenzell or Grindelwald. While places like Zurich and Interlaken get all the attention, Swiss villages like these offer an authentic, peaceful experience of Swiss culture. Appenzell, for example, is known for its charming streets, traditional Swiss architecture, and local cheese, while Grindelwald offers breathtaking views of the Jungfrau and quieter hiking trails. Locals tend to favor these spots for a more relaxed pace, and you can immerse yourself in the true spirit of Switzerland, away from the big tourist crowds. 3. Explore Switzerland's nature beyond the well-known trails. Yes, the Swiss Alps are famous, but did you know there are lesser-known trails and hidden peaks that offer an even more magical experience? Locals know where to find peace and solitude, away from the crowds. So why not venture off the beaten path? Whether it's hiking up to the quiet Lac des Dix, cycling through the picturesque Emmental region, or hiking in the Jura Mountains, discover Swiss cuisine in the heart of the country. You might know Swiss chocolate and cheese, but there's so much more to taste. It's time to explore authentic Swiss cuisine, prepared by locals with passion and pride. From a cozy mountain hut serving up fondue to a hidden family-owned restaurant in the heart of the city, the flavors of Switzerland will surprise you at every corner. But remember, it's not just about food. It's about sharing a moment, savoring the culture, and enjoying life the Swiss way. See, 5. Savor the Swiss pace of life. This one's a game changer. Switzerland has mastered the art of living in the moment. It's not about rushing from one place to another or ticking off your list of touristy must-sees. The Swiss have a different approach. They enjoy life slowly, with intention, and with a deep respect for the present moment. Exploring Switzerland like a local isn't just about following these secrets. It's about shifting your perspective. It's about embracing the journey, not just the destination. By stepping off the beaten path, living in harmony with the local culture, and embracing the rhythm of Switzerland, you'll uncover a side of this country that few tourists ever get to see. And believe me, it will change the way you travel forever. Are you ready to start your journey? To experience Switzerland with the eyes of a local and the heart of an adventurer? Remember, the world is full of secrets, and Switzerland has plenty waiting for you. So go out there, take a breath, and explore like you've never explored before. If you love these travel secrets, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on how to travel smarter, live fuller, and experience the world like a local.